Nelson, marriage is a very sacred relationship. Nung kinausap ko po yung mag-asawa, gaano na kayo katagal? Ang tagal na pala nila magkakilala. Ang tagal na rin pala nila nagkaroon ng pagkakaibigan. And then, sila ay pumasok sa tinatawag na banal na matrimonyo ng pagsasama ng mag-asawa.
Indeed, you're my answered prayers. Thank you for being my 1 Corinthians 13 kind of love.
And I give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now.
Ipinapangako kong sasamahan kita sa bawat hakbang ng ating buhay, sa tuwa man o lungkot, o sa tagumpay o kabiguan. Ngayon ibibigay ko sa iyo ang aking buong puso. Pinapangako kong mamahalin ka ng walang katapusan at ingingatan ka bawat araw ng ating buhay. Ikaw ang aking buhay at ako'y sa iyo ngayon at magpakailanman.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know who I am.
Sana huwag kayong magsawang sumuporta kahit na may pamilya na ako. At ganoon din po ako sa inyo. Kahit may pamilya ako, handa pa rin ako tumulong para sa inyo. Kay mama ko, ma, yung pangarap na kasal ko ba, natupad na.
Thankful ako sa Lord kasi binigyan ako ng napakabait na parents. Super down to earth talaga.
That ain't coming, or the moments of truth in your lives, when everything feels like the movies. Yeah, you please just to know you're alive. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know who I am.
You are my answered prayers, my greatest gift, and my dearest friend. No matter how many miles or oceans separate us, my loyalty and devotion to you will only grow deeper.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am.
Tinupad ko rin yung pangarap mo, kaya ngayon kakasal na tayo. Hindi, high school pa kami. May gusto na crush niya na ako.
Ganun pa rin yung parang doon na nabuo, no?
Hindi, nagpa-QC pa naman, hindi pa ano siya.
Pakipot.
Oo, pag-ipot pa ako.
Tapos, niligaw niya ako nung high school pero hindi ko sinagot. Parang January nag-chat na siya, April na ako next na nag-reply.
Madamot pero kuripot ka lang.
Wedding ko na pala ngayon. Magiging misis na.
Pag walang signal, huwag kang sinusa. Nag-ano agad eh. Akala niya pag...
Overthink.
Nagmahal ka kasi ng katulad ko eh, tapos magsisilos ka.
Momsim. Oh.
The only love talaga na mabibigay ko sa'yo is not just yung pagsasabi ko sa'yo ng I love you, but also yung prayers ko for you pag sumasakay ka ng barko. Yun lang. Thank you.
Tamis ng unang tikim, hinahanap pa lang, di na makikita. Ika'y walang kahambing, ang bangis at walang kasing tamis na unang tikim. Tamis ng unang